Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is all about my July Boxy Charm box. We got some really cute fun products. I will say one thing that I do love about Boxy Charm is that they always send you a skincare product. That's real cute, sis. That is real cute. So this is about Boxy Charm All Natural. I wanted to do a simple eye look, nothing too crazy, but I did want to put some color in it. But going with the all natural theme. So if you want to see what I got in my box, go ahead and continue to watch. Of course, I'll list everything down below with the prices. Boxy Charm is $21 a month. I think it comes up to like $22 and change after taxes. So you can sign up down below as well. Before we get into the video, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. She take me high.
Hello everybody, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this look. So I'm using my Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask that came in my Boxy Charm box, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. And then I'm going into my Luxie Gaea 3-piece brush set, and I'm using that foundation brush just to put all of that product all over my face. I didn't want to use my hands, I ain't gonna front, which is why I did it like this. So I'm just going to put that all over my face, and then you're going to go ahead and let it sit in for about 10 minutes. So after that, I'm just going to wipe it off. I don't know if you got a good look at it, but once it sets in, it kind of like absorbs into your skin a little bit, so it's not as white as it once was when you're wiping it off, which is very interesting. Okay, so you see my face looks so nice and clean, and then I went ahead and did my brows and primed my eyelids. So I'm going in with the Butter London eyeshadow palette, which is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. I'm using the color Femme Fatale. I can't read, can't spell. I don't know what my life is about. And I'm just using that blue color. I wanted a simple eye look. I didn't do all the blending and all of that. This eye look is kind of 2003. But it's cool though, because, you know, I just wanted to kind of play with the colors a little bit. I didn't want to do too much. So now this is the color Queen that I'm using. And this actually retails for $32. And the mask retails for $35. Just so you guys know what's going on. And the eye brush, the brushes retail for $30. Alright, and that brush that I used for my eyelid was also from that 3-brush set. This is my Appeal Gel Liner in the color brown, and I'm using that just to line my eyes. And this is $21. Everything will also be listed down below. So I'm using my Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, and I'm just, of course, putting that all on my face. And I decided to use my ColourPop foundation. That face I made was crazy. Like, look. So guys, do you have Boxy Charm? If you have Boxy Charm, let me know. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this box. You know, those are my ColourPop concealers. And of course, I'm just going to do my normal routine. So I don't really have to talk you through this, I don't think. Actually, if you want to see my highlight and contour, I'll post it up here above so you can see my routine. I go in detail on that tutorial, so check it out. But yeah, I've been getting Boxy Charm for, when did I start Boxy? I think I started in January, or maybe I started last year in like November, and I'm really liking it. Do y'all think it's worth it? Would you get it? If you've seen any or all of my tutorials on them, you know, I think it's a good thing for people who are beginning their makeup. I think it's a perfect thing for you to get, because you're always getting new products, and it's not as expensive, because, you know, makeup can be expensive. And this box right here is easily $150 box, you know, so you get good products. So I set my face, and I'm just wiping that off now. And now I'm going in with my Black Radiance Beauty Contour Palette just to warm up my face a little more. That's my Wet n Wild Berry Shimmer Blush. And I'm also just going to put that on the apple of my cheeks. Now I'm just going to go in and highlight. And this is the Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Lip Gloss. And this is $10. This lip gloss, y'all, litty. Litty, bang, bang. So I'm just going to go finish my face, change my clothes, and that is it, guys. That is the entire look. I actually like how this came out. It's simple, it's cute, it matches the theme of all natural for the July box. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below. Everything will be down in the description box. I hope to see you in my next one. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you join the flower game. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.